Good morning, African Stars International School Grade 4 learners. So welcome to our Mathematics Term 2 Lesson 6. Okay, and today we are just going to continue the same topic, which is measurement of time. Okay, same unit even, which is reading and recording time. Okay, I hope you can remember that in lesson 4 and 5 we were talking about recording time. Lesson 4 we are talking about recording time on on analog clock. Then lesson 5 we were talking about recording time on digital clocks now. Okay, so today we are going to look at calendars and timetables, okay, in that topic, this unit. So but before we start our lesson, let us look at solutions to previous exercise. Okay, so it is from exercise 7.2 page 111. Now here it says write down there. Number 1 says write down the time. Supposed to say write down the time shown on the clock in words. Okay, which is in B and D. Okay, for example, B here. Let's start with B. This is 11:25. Okay, so you can see that now. You can see when you are saying time in words, now you have to start with the minutes. Okay, you have to start how many minutes pass or how many minutes left to go to the next hour. Okay, so you use the word past when your minutes are less than 30, and if they are more than 30, then you have to mention how many minutes left to go to the next hour. Then it is where you use 2. Like if they are, you mention how many minutes left to go to the next hour. Okay, so here you have 11:25. Okay, you can see that your minutes are less than 30. That's why you have to say this. Just say 25 minutes past 11. Straightforward. 25 minutes past 11. Okay, and then D. Now for D we have 10:14. But you can see that here now your minutes. This is your minutes. Your minutes are more than 30. Now that's why you have to mention how many minutes left to go to the next hour. The next hour is 11. So here you know that an hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so 40 minutes already gone, so there are only how many left? Only 20 minutes. That's what you can say, 20 minutes to 11. Okay, here you can say 20 minutes to 11. Then you go to number 3. And number 3, where it says write as digital time. Now it's given in words. Now you should write it in this form as a digital or in numerous numbers. So here we have 5 minutes past 5. Okay, 5 minutes past 5 is just equal to 5. And then F, we have 5 minutes to 10. You should know the difference between past and to. Here it says 5 minutes past 5. That's 5 minutes past 5. Then here it says 5 minutes to 10. That means the moment we have this 2, that means the time is not 10 yet. It means there are 5 minutes to go to 10. Okay, the time is 9:55. Sorry, 9:55. Okay, so now let's look at, or let's move on with our today's lesson. Like I told you, we are going to look at calendars. Okay? We all know what are calendars. We all use calendars, for example, to see what the date of today and so on. Okay, they say a calendar shows us the month of the year and the date in each month. Okay, it shows us the month of the year and the days in each month. And we use calendars to determine dates and to find out which date falls in a given day. Okay, so school use calendars to plan activity of the years. They use calendars for things like finding the days on which the school opens and closes. Okay, deciding the day when examination should start. All that, we use calendar for that. Or arranging the date when the school will play sport matches against other schools. Okay, for example, so you can see here, this is a calendar. Okay, for this event, it shows the month and the date. Like for today, we know that we are in July. Okay, and then in July 21. We are here. You see, it shows the. That's why I use the color. And then, for example, let's look at this example. They say, now write down the date and the name of the day. Okay, they say when your school reopened for the second term. Okay, we know that we are all starting on, if nothing come up, then we will start on 3rd August. You can even go back on your calendar. What's 3rd August? You know that it's in August, the month is here, then 3rd is Monday. Okay, let's say 3rd August, Monday. Then number 2 says when your school closed. I was supposed to be when your school will be closed for the December holiday. When your school will be closed for December holiday, that will be now on 18 December. Okay, if you just go back to our calendar, this December, then on 18, that will be, what's 18? It's here. That will be on Friday. Okay. Okay, and we also have timetables. Okay, it's like everyone use a timetable at some point of their week. Okay, it's a learner follow a timetable at school, and adults follow timetable at their place of work or to catch a bus. Okay, for example, here is a timetable for a grade 4 learner. Okay, the name is there, so you can see that Monday, even the time. Monday we have math, which would start from 9 to 10, then from the English 10 to 11, and so on. You have a break, lunch, and afternoon school clubs. Okay, and sometimes someone can ask questions from this timetable. Can even say how long does each period take, or how long does the break take, or the lunch. You should be able to do that, or what time, or what is the second lesson in that on Monday or on Tuesday or something like that. They can ask such questions. Okay, you should be able to read the timetables and the calendars also. Okay, so here is your exercise. Okay, they say the figure shows the calendar page of August. This is just for August. Now you have to answer these questions. Now they say what the number of days in August in words. Okay, how many days in August? Now you should write them in words. Okay, and on which day of the week does the 24th of August fall? Now the date of when is 24th of August, then see what is the date of the second Friday of August. Now the date of the second Friday, you should just look at your calendars, and then you should be able to answer this question. Then they say write the name of the public holiday shown on the calendar. Okay, that is all for today. Just try to do your exercise. Okay, so we've come to the end of our today's lesson, and just to remind you again, wash your hands, sanitize, and avoid crowded place, and don't forget to put on your mask when you are in crowded place or in public. Okay, so thank you for your time. Have a good day.